Hello, so this is my entry into the Blue Whale locksport challenge. It's currently run by Cybervoid. I'll leave a link in the description. And what you've got to do is pick 5 padlocks from white to blue. Excuse me. And you can get yourself a Blue Whale patch. If you do it under 10 minutes, you'll get a gold star. So let's go through the locks. So white belt, just a generic white belt lock. We've got a yellow belt, Masterlock 140. We've got an orange belt, Abbas 5540. We've got a green belt, Masterlock 410 Loto. And we've got a Paclock 90A Pro. So let's see if we can get these open in under 10 minutes. So let's start the clock. Okay. Let's get it the right way around. I love these Paclocks. You can really hear them. I'll go for 2 minutes and 9. Okay. Thank you very much.